Hi, my name is Josh Davey with Davey Coach. Thanks for riding the bus with us. All right, so today's video is on buying a bus in 2026. Let's call it a how to buy a bus for dummies. Not that we're calling any of our prospective customers or current customers names or anything like that. We just want to cover some of the basics. So if you're looking to buy a bus in 2026, you're going to want to watch till the end of the video. You're probably going to pick up a few tips. To CDL, to not CDL. That's the question that we're talking about here, the first one anyway. Why would I want to get a CDL licensed bus for my business, for my company, for my community? If you got bigger groups, you're putting more buses in the seats. If you're an operator, that means more money, more top line revenue. If you're a community, you can take more residents on a particular outing. Why would I not want to have a CDL? The cost, primarily. You've got to pay that CDL driver more than you're going to have to pay somebody else who doesn't have a CDL. It's also more expensive to get a CDL now than it ever has been before. You got to take a class. It's multi-day. Companies bear the expense of that. And then if your employee wants to take a different position at a different company down the street, you run the risk of losing that employee. And then your staffing. Everybody knows staffing is a challenge that we're facing in 2026 here. You want to have the right people in the right seat on the right spot on the bus, pun intended. So if it's 15 passengers or under in every single state in the country, except California, you don't need a special license to drive it. So 13 people, 2 wheelchair positions, that's a popular size for us. 15 with luggage in the rear, that's a popular size for us. No special license required. California, that number is 10. So 10 with luggage, 9 passengers, 1 wheelchair. Those are a couple of popular examples for non-CDL examples. Number 2, when do you need tires in the parking lot? To some people, buying a bus means, hey, we placed our order for a bus, and they know it's going to take anywhere from 4 to 8 months to have that vehicle built. Not everybody has that kind of time. We keep equipment that's in stock and it's available for immediate delivery. Immediate delivery doesn't necessarily mean right now. Very, very few of our transactions are buy it on the lot and drive it off the lot same day. Well, a lot of businesses have different modifications, different things that we need to prep the vehicle with. Do you need a ski rack on the back of your bus for your ski resort? Do you need graphics on the outside of the vehicle for your business? Do you need any kind of seating modifications done? Do you need financing put into place? Sometimes documents take multiple days to go back and forth with the finance entity in order for us to put everything in place that we need to get paid and for you to take delivery of that equipment. Number 3, how are we going to pay for the vehicle? We love cash. We love cash transactions. And most of our transactions that are cash, we're going to get a check for those. We also have different financing options available. What is my lease payment? One of our most popular questions. We have a few questions that we have to get clarified in order for us to give that to you. Do you want to own the vehicle at the end of the lease? Do you want to walk away from the vehicle at the end of the lease? Do you want an option to buy the vehicle at the end of the lease? Any one of those different scenarios will result in a different payment structure for the end user ultimately. We also have a skip payment lease options. Really, really popular with colleges and post-secondary education organizations that we work with, universities, travel sport teams, where they only need the vehicle for 9 months out of the year. We're able to take 12 payments and compact that into 9 payments and give you 3 months where you don't have to make a payment. So that makes things a little bit easier for those businesses that don't have cash flow for that 3 months out of the year. Also, do you have a trade-in? Ask. Out with the old, in with the new. We'd love to help get some of that old equipment off your parking lot. Even if it's not trading it in towards a bus, we can help you guys auction it through our equipment wholesale auction relationships and turn that unutilized asset into some working capital for you. Thanks again for riding the bus with us. If you want us to save you a seat on the bus, like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you want to see any other inventory that we've got available, check out our website at daveycoach.com. If you want one of these sweet t-shirts, you can get one of those there too.